Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we are going to analyze what is the difference between targeting people that live in a location and people that they are in a location. First of all, if you don't know where is the setting, this is a small video that I'm going to show you where it is. So, I will try to keep it short and simple. When you're targeting with the option above, in the video that I showed you, you're targeting also people that they are in this location. For example, if you're targeting New York, you're targeting several tourists also. This is not good, especially you that you're doing lead generation ads and you're targeting in an area and you're not putting the people who live in this location. For example, there are some different cases. I have one client which wants to target homeowners, okay? If you're targeting also people that are just passing by the area or they are tourists or whatever, it doesn't make any sense. So watch this setting, and even if you're doing e-commerce and you want to target people in United States, you don't want to target all the tourists that they also go in United States if you don't ship things abroad. Very easy setting, try to use it always, try to target the people that they live in the country that you want to target. Try to use it in different situations like the one that I mentioned. If you want to target homeowners, there is no reason for you to use this kind of targeting. By default, sadly, by Facebook, it's targeting also people who might pass by or they are tourists. Why? Because Facebook likes bigger audiences and stuff, and it doesn't mean that because Facebook has a default option setting that this setting is actually correct. Try to do that, and don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.